So if you are facing the issues that you can't change the body on your Snapchat, so first of all you have to simply go to your Play Store or Apple Store, and on the search bar you have to search for the Snapchat. Once you have searched for the Snapchat, on your Snapchat if there is any update available, then you have to update of your app. And after that you have to simply go back and navigate to your setting icon of your device, and you have to scroll down and go for your app here. Once you are on your app, you have to simply tap on the manage app, and here you have to search for the Snapchat. Once you have searched for the Snapchat here, so here on the Snapchat you have to simply go for the clear data and clear cache here. Once you are done, you also have to check the version of the Snapchat, and also if your internet connection is not stable, then you have to change your Wi-Fi to the mobile data. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily fix the can't change Wi-Fi on your Snapchat. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.